Hey there, love bugs and moon babes. It's the August full moon. For this meditation, please have a glass of water with you. And if you can, sit outside under the moon's light. Go ahead and set that water, that glass of water, in front of you so the moon's light can shine down upon you and that glass of water. Go ahead and take in a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to close and come into this moment. Just breathing in, exhaling out. And now imagine that you're able to connect your root chakra to the center of the earth. You can imagine it as a cord or a beam of light, whatever feels best for you. Imagine that whatever you're using to attach yourself to the center of the earth is the same width as your body. And now imagine asking the earth to be connected to your strength, to your inner power, your courage, your intuition, trust, and love. And as you strengthen this connection, you can also ask the earth, your strength, your power, your courage, your intuition, your love, to assist you in releasing your current biggest block once and for all. Trust that your mind, your body, your soul knows what to release, and the earth will support you in doing so. And now imagine that as you stay connected to the center of the earth, that you also have a beam of light that flows from the top of your head all the way up into the stars, connecting you with the divine energy. And allow that divine energy to also support your intuition, your courage, your love and your strength, and the ability to give you clarity. Perhaps discover and ask, what is the universe revealing to you? What truth do you need to see right now? What knowledge is yours to receive? Take a moment and receive it now. This is also a time for expansion. Knowing that sometimes with expansion comes discomfort. Discomfort can at times be a guide, a signal of our growth, that you're on the right path. So at this time, if you feel any discomfort, that comes with the truth and the clarity, the releasing and the stepping forward, remember that Jupiter has your back and is supporting your expansion. The energy that flows within you and all around you is here to guide you and support you for your highest good. And with this energy, you may be feeling more creative and braver. You might be experiencing more courage to honor who you are, to listen to your inner guidance, your inner pulling. As your soul whispers to you the path that is unfolding in front of you, giving yourself permission to step more into yourself fully, completely. This full moon provides you the gift of clarity. Perhaps there is a decision that you've been resisting or waiting for more information on. Again, using that light, that attachment to the divine energy, let it support your clarity now. Open up and receive your clarity, your answer. Remembering to trust yourself to make the right decision for you. Reminding yourself that your body, your heart space, holds all of your love from your past, all of your love and courage. Intuition is strengthened every day and comes with you into the present and into your future. It's okay to welcome your journey ahead and let your intuition light your path. You are enough, you are worthy, and you can trust yourself, knowing that the energy that flows within you and all around you supports you in releasing whatever needed to be released, and supports you in the knowing you can trust yourself and your intuition to guide you. Now take a moment and grab that glass of water that's been sitting in the moonlight, absorbing all of the positive energy of the earth, the moon, and the divine. Hold up this glass of water as if you're toasting the moon, knowing that this water is filled with love, peace, clarity, expansion, prosperity, tranquility, courage, hope, goodness. And as you toast to the moon, take a moment and express your gratitude, toasting that you are blessed, your loved ones are blessed, and all beings are blessed. Now go ahead and drink the water, letting that energy reach every cell within your body, letting that water flow through you, enhancing this positive, hopeful, good, life-fulfilling energy within you. Any water that you don't drink, you can just pour out onto the earth in front of you as a blessing to the earth, as more gratitude to offer the energy around you, the energy that supports you. When you're ready, return to your breath. Your focus going to your heart space, feeling the energy there, and then focus right behind your eyes, experiencing your energy flowing behind your eyes down through your body to the center of the earth and all the way up to the skies to be with the divine energy. All of this flowing through you, within you, and all around you. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you for being here. Remember to go ahead and give the like button some love, and remember to subscribe. Sending you blessings and all the goodness. Namaste.